Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best CTM-250 welder is probably one of the most versatile welding machines on the market, offering a wide range of capabilities for both beginners and experienced welders. In this video, we're diving deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the CTM-250 welder. We'll explore its ease of use, power, and the types of projects it's best suited for, helping you decide if this is the right welder for your needs. Number 5. Hone 140 amp ARC Welder. This welder has been upgraded for a better user experience. The duty cycle has been improved, allowing for more efficient welding at both 110V and 220V. It's designed to handle your toughest jobs. Featuring advanced IGBT technology, this ARC welder ensures reliable performance. The ARC force provides smoother welds and deeper penetration, even at lower currents. This results in consistent, high-quality welds. This welder is perfect for various welding rods, including AWS E6013, E7018, and E6011, in sizes from 1/16 to 1/8. It can also handle E6010 cellulose electrodes. It's capable of welding mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Safety is a priority with this welding machine. It includes an anti-stick function, and multiple protection features against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, and short circuits. This ensures safe operation every time. The welder features a digital display that shows the real-time welding current. It's easy to use for both beginners and experienced welders. Whether you're a man or a woman, you'll find it simple to operate. With its compact design and carrying handle, this welder is easy to transport and store. It's ready to go wherever you need it. If you have any issues, customer service is available to help you within 24 hours. What we like. This welder utilizes advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring a stable arc and smooth welds. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced welders. If you're looking for a reliable machine with excellent arc force and the ability to handle various rod types, this is the one for you. What people say. The welder has a smooth arc and welds beautifully. The machine is easy to set up and use. The machine is capable of welding a variety of materials. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN 200A ARC Lift TIG Welder. This welder features an intelligent LED screen, providing clear data display. It makes reading easier without removing your helmet. It's perfect for various welding rods and ideal for DIY projects. The machine automatically matches current and voltage based on the electrode diameter, perfect for beginners. Professionals can also adjust the current to their needs. It uses advanced technology for stable arc performance. Weighing only 7.2 pounds, this welder is easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap. It's convenient for use anywhere and easy to store. You can choose stick or lift TIG mode. It has adjustable hot start and arc force for smoother welding. Anti-stick function prevents the electrode from sticking. It's suitable for various metal materials. The ARCCAPTAIN welder has passed professional tests and certifications. It comes with a 2-year quality service. It also includes safety features like overcurrent and overheating protection to keep you safe. What we like. With its synergic control, this welder automatically adjusts settings, making it ideal for beginners. It also offers both stick and lift TIG modes, providing versatility for different projects. If you are a beginner or someone who values ease of use and portability, it's a great choice. What people say. When connected to 240V power, this machine will handle any task I could ever need. The welder itself is solid, powerful, lightweight, and extremely versatile with the included 110V adapter. It does an excellent job with TIG at 100 to 150 amp. Number 3. AZZUNO 200A 4-in-1 Multiprocess Welder. Introducing the AZZUNO 4-in-1 Welder. This machine combines flux core MIG, gas MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding into one. It's versatile enough for any metalworking project. Setting up is a breeze with the intelligent synergic control. Just adjust the amperage or wire diameter, and the machine does the rest. This makes it easy for beginners to get great results. This welder handles both flux core and solid wire. It works with various wire spool sizes and thicknesses. This gives you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of welding tasks. It also offers lift TIG and stick welding capabilities. The lift TIG function provides a clean weld, while the stick welding mode is perfect for general repairs. It's a truly versatile machine. With a powerful 200A output, it can weld materials up to 8.0 mm thick. Built-in overload and overheat protection ensure safe operation and a long lifespan. You can weld with confidence. What we like. This machine is a versatile 4-in-1 welder, offering flux core MIG, gas MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. The intelligent synergic control simplifies setup, making it easy for anyone to achieve great results. If you need a single machine that can handle a wide range of welding tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The welder is easy to set up and use. The machine is very versatile and can weld a variety of materials. The arc is stable and the welds are clean. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN 250A 6-in-1 welding machine. This ARCCAPTAIN welder is a versatile 6-in-1 machine. It handles gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, MMA, spot, and spool gun welding. It's perfect for various projects. The welder features a digital MCU and a high-integrity circuit design. This improves welding stability and performance. The intelligent fan extends the machine's life. It offers both synergic and manual MIG modes. Synergic mode automatically matches settings for beginners. Manual mode allows for custom settings for professionals. The machine comes fully equipped with all the necessary accessories. You can start welding right away. Everything you need is included in the package. This welder has passed rigorous tests for safety. It includes VRD and multiple protection functions. Remember to let the screen turn off and the fan stop working before powering on. What we like. This 6-in-1 welder offers gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, MMA, spot, and spool gun capabilities. The digital control enhances welding stability and performance. If you are a professional or someone who needs a versatile machine with advanced features, this welder is designed for you. What people say. CTM-250 ST welder is a great machine. The machine works great and welds beautifully. It is a great welder for the price. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN 200A 6-in-1 Multiprocess Welder. This is a versatile welding machine. It handles gas MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick, lift TIG, and spot welding. It's suitable for various welding needs, making it a great choice for different projects. The digital control automatically matches current and wire feeding speed. You can also adjust it to fit your style. The cooling fan only runs when needed, so it's quiet. This welder has adaptive crater, burn-back adjustment, and pre-post flow functions. It also offers 2T/4T modes and can store 10 preset settings. This makes it easy to start the next welding job. The large LED screen provides accurate data and is easy to read. It's easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap. It's perfect for outdoor work and home projects. The welder has passed rigorous tests for quality. It includes VRD and multiple protection features. Remember to turn it off completely before switching between 110V and 220V. What we like. This multiprocess welder offers gas MIG, gasless MIG, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun capabilities. The synergic MIG function automatically matches settings, making it easy to use. If you are looking for a versatile machine with a user-friendly interface and advanced features, it's the perfect choice. What people say. The welder has a smooth arc and welds very well. The machine is easy to set up and use. The machine is able to weld a variety of materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.